In a continuing legal saga, 28 members of the National Unity Platform remain behind bars after being denied bail in a case spanning nearly 4 years. Relatives and legal representatives gathered at the court premises from early morning, including prominent figures like the leader of opposition, Joel Senyonyi, and several members of parliament. The court session commenced at 11 a.m., but tensions rose around 2:30 p.m. when the military police emerged with a handcuffed defendant, Mohdin Kakoza, prompting agitation among the waiting relatives.
We are being blamed for protecting Chagulanyi's votes. That's why we are being imprisoned. If we have to die for our country, that's what we have chosen to do. But we'll not apologize to Museveni because we did not do anything to him.
Subsequently, the military cleared the premises, escalating the already charged atmosphere. Amidst the chaos, representatives of the defendants emphasized the political nature of the case, denouncing it as persecution rather than prosecution.
That's why you hear some ministers trying to negotiate, are saying let them accept and so on. There's an officer, UPDF officer called Nakwesi, who has been approaching them saying accept that you committed these offences, you'll be given 200 million shillings, houses and so on, land, and they're saying no because they did not commit these offences. And we are insisting, if you're saying there is some evidence, why haven't you availed it?
Yet the charge sheet that the court is relying on to try these persons clearly indicates their places overboard.
There is a general feeling when you speak to the relatives of the 28 NUP supporters who are being tried here at the court-martial in Makindye that justice has been denied because of the delays this case has taken. However, today, the court has set the 6th of May as the day it will give its final ruling on this matter.
I'm tired of begging for their release. Let them tell us of a date when we can pick their dead bodies from Chitalia. What do you want us to do? These children are Ugandans. They have not been released yet again, but I urge you to be strong. Don't bend to their promises. If it means dying in prison, you would rather die there.
The way they have beaten them, it's uncalled for. Imagine they have the full deployment, but the way they were smuggling, the way they were beating our people, the way they were torturing them in chambers of court, it's very, very uncalled for.
The 28 were charged in June 2021 and have since been incarcerated till to date. The case was delayed further with the retirement of the former court-martial chairman, Lieutenant General Andrew Guti, the expiry of the new chairman's mandate, and his travel to Somalia last year. Walter Mwesije, NTV.